Hi folks, Harrison here. This is finally the competition to win 12 Grimmauld Plates, the 2-foot high 3D model, printed and ready for you to paint from the films Harry Potter. What you'll get is the basement, ground floor, lamp, spare railings, upper floors and roof and upper floors as well. All as one kit, ready to glue up together and paint to your heart's desire. All you have to do is subscribe, like, share, visit my Etsy page. All these details will be in the description, and leave a comment to tell me what you think of the model or what your favourite model is on the Etsy page. Thanks a lot. Take care.